Alright, hello everyone. So this afternoon I'll be baking a chocolate cake. So the ingredients are 3 pieces of eggs and 1 cup of oil. Also the water is 1 cup of water. So I got it from the box. It is easy mixing. It's already been prepared. So what I have to do is just only mix all the ingredients. Well, what I have to do is I have to start first with the egg. It's the eggs. And just mixed it. And then the oil. Measure this water again. So I'm not sure if it's really 1/4 cup. Okay, so I have 1/4 cup of water. Then I have to mix it with the powder mixture and then mix it together. So I'm doing this is at least for the family to enjoy this afternoon, especially my kids coming out from school. Gustong-gusto nila na mayroong snack. So this is what I've been doing. Then add with water gradually. Yung anak ko na panganay ay palaging nagluluto nito yung ready to mix na. So madali lang. Natuto na rin siya. So I've been teaching him since at least 8 years old kung paano mag-bake. And right now he can bake it by himself and even also starting from scratch ingredients. But pag gusto niya ng madali lang, so he will use this ready mix cake mix in different flavor. At least mura lang naman sa Walmart or sa other grocery store. Some of them can cost like $1 per box or 99 cents sometime or more than $1, but not too bad because it's already been mixed. Been pre-mixed. Okay, now I have to add the water again gradually. So always remember when you're mixing a cake, you have to start from the dry ingredients, then go with the liquid and end it also with the dry ingredient. So I remember this when I was in high school, that our teacher taught this technique so that the mixtures will be better and it looks better, and also they are really well mixed. So then add the last water, and then I will add as well the last dry ingredients. So I don't need to add sugar anymore because within the mixture with the dry ingredients, it has already sugar and milk, and also the chocolate flavor. Okay, I have actually a standalone mixer. Kabibili ko lang last week, but I don't feel like using it today. So maybe next week or some of this day I will be using it. And at least it will be easier doing this. It's not really bad. It's using this wooden spoon, and I have to make sure that the lumps are crushed. That when it's been baked, it's well mixed and have a fine texture. Diba? So this is how my life here been doing so far. So as a mother, I have to make sure that there are some food that been cooked for the family, and then at the same time, while the kids are in school, I'm also doing my studying. Because once they are at home, I cannot really concentrate. They're too noisy. Or sometimes, pumupunta ako sa Kaiser University Library, and then I spend the whole day or half day at the library, because they are open at least like 7:30 in the morning until 9 o'clock in the evening. So we really have much more time to study. And I like there because I can do my print out free, no payment, and it's very calm, and I can really concentrate well. Okay, seems that there's no lump anymore where I can use this better. This another mixer. This the manual one. So I'll be mixing that all. I'll be using the standalone mixer baka next week. And I bought it on Macy's online, and I'm so happy with it because it can also be removed. I don't have to do it manually, which is cool. Diba? Okay, I think this is good enough now. I can see that there's no lumps, so the mixture is very nice. I already prepared the rectangular baking pan, so this is what I'll be using. I already sprayed it with cooking oil, vegetable oil. I can use also butter para hindi dumikit yung cake, at saka madali lang kunin at saka hugasan yung baking pan. Alright, so I think this is good enough. And I'll be transferring it now to my rectangular baking pan. So I was thinking about at least using 2 boxes of cake mixture, but my eggs are not enough to cover because I need 6, because 3 on each box. And I found out that some of them are not good, so maybe I have to use the other one maybe tomorrow. Okay. And then I'm going to bake it into a 350 Fahrenheit heat in the oven. Alright. Okay, I'll be putting this in the oven, and I have to cook it for at least 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, I'll be back, and I also have this. I made this one, but it's not done. It's about to be baked as well. This pudding, fruit pudding. So I will not be wasting the electricity as I bake too. Alright, so yun lang ang buhay ko dito. Because I'm not working this time, but eventually I'll be working soon once I get better.